Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tierra Nicole, and if you clicked on this video, you're learning how to do a braid out, some beach waves on your wig that's kind of old. So these are some Indian bundles. Today is my wash day. As you can see, this hair is about 22 inches. It's virgin Indian hair, and I typically wash my Indian hair every 2 weeks. Because if you wear Indian hair, then you know Indian hair gets pretty oily. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna wash my wig. I'm gonna remove it. I normally sew my wig down. I already started taking some of the stitches out. So yeah, so let me remove the wig. We about to wash it. Let me show you guys what I washed my hair with. I washed my hair with the Shampoo One by, oops, can you see it? Shampoo One by Paul Mitchell, and I also used the detangler for the conditioner by Paul Mitchell. And I'm going to share with y'all my holy grail secrets for my braid out. This will leave your hair not sticky, not stiff, not oily. Like, this is the holy grail. This is how I get the best braid out on my weave. This right here is hard to find in stores, so I do have to order mine off of Amazon. It comes with 5 ounces. It's the Isotin Whip Styling Balm. It comes out like a mousse. Well, it's like a gel mousse. Like, I don't know. I'm going to show it to y'all once we do the braid down, but let's start off by washing the wig.
So she's all up in my head now. Got me thinking that it might be a good idea to take her with me. Cause she's ready to leave. Well, let's go. But I gotta keep it real now. Cause on the 1 to 10, she's a certified 20. But that just ain't me. Hey, cause I know if I take that chance, she swears it's gonna lead. But what I do is the way she dance makes Shawty alright with me. The way she I'm like, yeah, just work that out for me. She asked for one more dance, and I'm like, yeah, how the hell am I supposed to leave? And I said, yeah. Shawty got down low and said, come and get me. Yeah. I got so caught up, I forgot she told me. Her and my girl used to be the best of me. Next thing I knew, she was all up on me screaming.
Ridiculous. In the club looking so conspicuous. And wow, these women all on the prowl. If you hold the head steady, I'ma milk the cow. Forget about game, I'ma spit the truth. I won't stop till I get them in their birthday suits. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with their clothes. Then bend over to the front and touch your toes. I left the jag and I took the rolls. If they ain't cutting, then I put them on foot patrol. How you like me now when my pinky's valued over 300,000? Let's drink, you the one to please. Ludacris fill cups like double D. Me and Ursh once more when we leave them dead. We want a lady in the
you drop down, lose focus. When that thing clap, that's a bonus. That cake looking appetizing. Backpack food is a crisis. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my bread. Look like you do ballet. Yeah, hold tight when you tiptoe. Say something when you tiptoe. No brakes when you push that back. Left, right, do it just like that. Hold tight when you tiptoe. Hey yo, God bless you from behind it. One hand up like the Heisman. First class seat when you're riding. One that thing like you're spineless. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my bread. Look like you do ballet. Yeah, hold tight when you tiptoe. Say something when you tiptoe. No brakes when you push that back. Left, right, do it just like that. Hold tight when you tiptoe.
Wine for me, darling. When you move your spine is alarming. And why you just wine for me, darling?
Tryna figure out who to give your love to. Dancing like a freak till 3:15. You don't want the one you been looking for.
Left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek. Tip top, tip top, tip top. Chains on, got me looking like a disco. Who that be? In that drop, be my sorry. Who that be? Blowing gas at the bar. Fresh vanilla smooth like a honey, yeah, wine. And I sneak up from behind. What's your name? What's your sign?
Wine for me, darling.
You wanna dock in or fly out?
Wine for me, darling.
Baby, wanna at least rent or buy out?
Wine for me, darling.
And that money keep blowing, swat shorty tip tongue. Got your left cheek showing, mama.
Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my bread. Not like you do, baby. Hold tight when you tiptoe. When you tiptoe. Shake something when you tiptoe. When you tiptoe. No brakes when you push that back. Left, right, do it just like that. Hold tight when you tiptoe. When you tiptoe. Hold tight when you
wine for me, darling. When you move your spine is alarming. Now why you just wine for me, darling?
One time, two time for the DJ.
I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Chula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like moving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, body, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Virgo, Ferrari, hop off the stoop, jump in the coupe, big dip on top of the roof, flexing on bitches as hard as I can, eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though, got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B, I run this shit like cardio. Bags, I'm in district in the chain. Circle, how you walk, gang, 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 gang. Woo, drop the top and blow the brain. Woo. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? Yeah. Woo, bags, I need the dollars. Cha-ching, beat it up like piñata. Tell the drop to close the curtains. That bitch make you nervous. Cardi B.
Como Celia Cruz tengo el azúcar. Tú que va medio y se fue de pecho como Jimmy Nuka. Te vamos a tumbar la peluca y arranca pa'l carajo, cabrón, que a ti no te va a pasar la boca. Mi tía y Valenciaga me reciben en la entrada. Sí, like I'm Lady Gaga. Y no te me hagas, que en cover de vivo tú has visto mi cara. No salgo de tu mente, donde quiera que viajes, escuchado mi gente. Ya no soy high, soy como el testa rosa. No soy el que se la vive y también el que la goza. Goza, es la cosa, mami es la cosa. El que mira sufre y el que toca goza.
Let your hair down, baby, I just hit a score. Pick any place on the planet, pick a shore. Take what the fall was, figure then figure more. Cause they forgot to account what I did with the fraud.